guys, welcome back. The Christmas season is upon us, and here in Jamaica and even in the Caribbean and the whole world as a whole, you know, nothing says Christmas like some new furniture, and we know how hard it can be to find good, reliable furniture makers. So we brought one with us, an expert who is going to tell us all about the amazing pieces he has available to make your house feel like a home this Christmas. Mr. Frederick Gayle, owner of Heritage Home Creations and Upholstery, is here with us. Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good to see you.
Yes, good to see you.
Outstanding work, first of all.
Thank you.
Congratulations on the business. All right, tell me how you started, though. I mean, when did this whole love and passion for upholstery and furniture business start?
Well, I migrated 30 odd years ago.
Yeah.
And I was a electrician by trade.
Okay.
Really. When I went to America, it was hard for me to get into that field.
Yes.
So I do a little research and I said, well, I have to make money somewhere.
Yes, I love that. I love that.
So I tried my hands on doing upholstery.
Yeah.
And it was good. I take my time and I get a whole piece, pull it down, you know, one by one, the fabric, take off the fabric, sew it, put it on back. And that's where it started.
So, Mr. Gayle, hold on. You're telling me that you learned all of this by just doing and undoing and learning and adjusting and all that?
Uh-huh.
Wow, touch me. Excellent work.
Yeah.
Excellent work, man. This is good. Because this question was say, tell us where you get your training from. The man get him training by himself, right?
Myself, yes.
Love it.
Yeah.
And so when was it that you created the first piece that anybody at all said, boy, Mr. Frederick, here's some money for this item?
Yeah, I started in my garage.
Yeah.
You know, do a little chair, and there was a labor next down the lane,
Yeah.
close beside me. So I bring the piece to him, and he liked it, and he paid me for it.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah. All right, so you brought some really cool pieces.
Yeah, these are some.
Love the tones. So we're looking at two headboards, and what you call this chair?
This is a bench.
Multifunctional bench, I
Yeah,
realize.
it's with storage and everything in it, and you put it in front of the bed.
The bed, yes.
Yeah, and you can sit on it, put on your shoes, you know, get ready.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah, I love it. And as we talk about how multifunctional it is, it's also a storage unit as well. Because when you open this up, you literally have some storage here.
Some storage inside here.
Okay.
You can put in your bed stuff and, you know.
Yeah, like your
pillows
blankets and your sheets and that kind of thing inside here. And I mean, you just do this and it closes right back. Yeah, and it has good enough space so two persons can actually sit side by side and do the work. Yeah.
Have your cup of coffee right there too.
Exactly. All right, so Frederick, I want you to tell me about the materials that you used when making these things. We're looking at wood here. What else are we looking at?
Well, we're looking at wood and we're looking at fabric, but the type of fabric, it all depends on my client, you know, what they like and so forth. So I work with my clients to choose their fabric and stuff, you know.
Yeah.
So if they have a piece that they really want to bring alive, I work with them.
Okay.
With that.
So sometimes they will come to you and say, boy, Sir Frederick, I like this particular material. Do you tell them if it can work or it can't work? Like,
Yes.
If I come to you with a satin and say, boy, Mr. Frederick, I love this satin, you know, can it go on the headboard? And you tell me, say, boy, it's not durable, you know.
Yeah, I can look at the fabric and tell you, you know, if it's durable enough and stuff would put on a headboard, because it's not every fabric you can use for a headboard.
Right.
It all depends.
Okay. Our floor manager, who's very interested in this particular headboard, Sir Frederick, wants to know how long it took you to make this particular piece.
Well, it takes about a week.
A week, Sir Frederick?
To make it.
Stop it.
Yeah.
You serious? I mean, with all of these little pipings and everything?
All of these.
Wow.
You can get all different type of trims and, you know, nails and anything like that. If you want buttons.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do that too.
Okay, good, good. So do you only do home furnishing, or, you know, can businesses reach out to you?
Yeah, I do restaurants. I make booths. I make banquets for kitchen banquets.
Yeah.
You know, you can sit around it and have your meal and stuff forth. And
okay, love that.
storage, yeah.
Love that. What do you enjoy most about this profession?
Well, it's the finishing work. Yeah, the finishing part of it.
Yeah.
When I see the smile on my client face, you know, it pleased me.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah. And do you have repeat customers? So, you know, a year like It's 2024. Did you have a customer that came from last year, come back in this year and say, boy, Sir Frederick, I want something else?
Yeah, I repeat customer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I love that.
And they tell their friends and everything, and you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where are you based?
Well, right now, I'm working from my home right now. I'm working to set up
A shop,
a
yeah?
shop and
Yeah.
so forth, yeah.
Okay. But if, let's say, somebody watching right now out of Westmoreland, they're saying, boy, you know, I want to get in touch with Mr. Frederick, how do I do that?
Well, you can give me a call and stuff, and
Okay.
we can work out from there.
Do you have a work phone?
Yeah, I have
Yeah?
a work phone.
Okay, can you give us the number? You don't remember the number? Mr. Frederick, looking to wife because, of course, wife.
No, she have my phone
right.
over there.
All right? But don't worry, we're going to make sure you get the number.
Yeah,
All right? We're going to make sure we get the number. Okay. Is there any piece in particular that you enjoy making the most? You know, you've done a great work with the headboards. Are there pieces that you like? Say, boy, you know, once you give me a headboard or something else, I'll just do a great job at it. Something you enjoy making?
Well, I enjoy making all type of furniture, you know, not just headboard.
Okay.
You know, I do car seats, I do boats, I do anything.
You do what, sir?
Boats.
Boats?
Yeah.
As in boat that go to sea?
Yes, yeah. Boats, interior, yeah.
Really? What you not say?
RVs, if you have your RVs and stuff, yeah, I can do all of that. Outdoor cushions and stuff.
Sir Gayle, go on with yourself. I mean, I'm sure with the amount of work, the volume of work, you're not the only person who work, you know, to get everything done. You have some team.
Yeah, I have my little team working, my wife and others.
I can see wife is client relations, right? She makes sure she take the calls and take the orders and everything.
Yes,
yeah,
she do that. And
okay.
I do most of the hard part of it. You know?
Okay.
Sometimes he help me select fabrics and stuff.
Love that.
For
love
the clients and stuff. Yeah.
Love that. What is your price range like?
Well, normally, it all depends on what the client want. You know, when they call me and they show me the piece that they want, or they have a dream of something, but they cannot bring it forth, I can help them bring it forth, and then we can work price from that time.
Well, sir, let me tell you something. You have done an immaculate job at building out these pieces. I would love to see the other pieces that you have built. For sure, we're going to try and get the numbers for Sir Frederick, but of course you can call our lines here 926-1100 and ask for TVJ, and the producers will ensure that we get the numbers because we want you to get more business, because this is really, really good work.
Yes.
Really good work. Congratulations on it. And thank you for joining us.
Oh, that was short and spicy.
That was short and spicy, exactly, exactly.
Okay.
You can't say whenever I put you on, guys. Thank you so much, Sir Frederick Gayle, for passing through with these very beautiful pieces, owner of Heritage Home Creations and Upholstery. More to come right here on Weekend Smile after the break. Stay with us.